Hey everyone, I just hopped out of the shower and I thought it would be fun to do a fast foundation review of the new LYS Triple Fix Blurring and Hydrating Skin Tint Foundation Stick. Now today I'm using the shade MN3, and let me warn you, if you are one of my shade twins, this is too dark for me even when I have a bit of self-tanner on, but I'm just kind of cheating that today by putting the foundation all the way down my neck and chest to make it match. So after my shower, I put on all my normal skincare, and then I did my eye makeup, and I've really been enjoying lately using just an extra touch of the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, almost as a primer. It's not a primer, but it just gives me that extra added moisture right before I put on a foundation. So that's been a fun little trick I've been doing lately. And after giving the moisturizer about 5 minutes to sink in, I started application of the LYS stick. Now online, it says to apply liberally, and I took that literally. I did it very liberally on my skin. I will tell you, when doing this again, I will not put that much on because I found it to be just a little bit too much foundation for me, a little bit too thick. So just be aware that you do not need to go in with quite as much as I did when you're applying this. And just to give you a little bit of information about this cost $25 for 0.25 ounces or 7.2 grams. And I will tell you that I think this is one that if you use every day, you would probably go through fairly quickly. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking about purchasing it. You'll see in a moment that after applying with my fingers, which is the way they suggest doing it, that I went in with a beauty sponge afterwards, a clean beauty sponge to just absorb the excess. So here's my skin with nothing on it, and then with the foundation on that side. While I remove some of the excess foundation on this side, let's go ahead and talk about the basics. It comes in 22 shades. They say it has a natural finish, although I would say natural bordering on dewy. And they also call it a medium coverage, which again, I would argue is maybe a medium to full coverage. Now, as far as the finish goes, not every foundation stick is the same. Not every foundation stick is going to work for every skin type. And since I'm foundation lady and I'm here for you, I'm going to give you the scoop on which stick foundations I think are good for different skin types. So starting out with dry skin, I would definitely say that this LYS is geared more towards those with drier skin. If you have oily skin, I think you can make this work. You're definitely going to have to powder because even with normal skin, I had to powder this one. But if we're talking about good foundation sticks for dry skin, I would say this one along with the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick and the Makeup Revolution stick, which is a drugstore foundation stick. And when I purchased mine maybe a couple years ago, it was around $6, so very reasonably priced. If you're one of my oily skin friends, I would suggest either the Basma Beauty foundation stick, the Fenty foundation stick, or for drugstore, the number 7 foundation stick or the Milani foundation stick. Now, I know someone's going to ask me out of all of these, which is my favorite and which is my least favorite. So I will tell you that the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick is my all-time favorite. And my least favorite is the Milani foundation stick. Now, granted, the Milani is geared more towards oily skin. I have normal to somewhat dry skin. So if one of my oily skin friends wants to tell us down in the comments if you found that to be a good one, please go ahead and do that. That would help us. But I personally found it to be a little bit patchy on my skin. As I'm putting on my Neutrogena concealer here, let's talk about the fact that the LYS Liquid Foundation was actually my very first winner for Foundation of the Year in my very first Foundation Lady Awards video. So the interesting thing about that is that that foundation is rated 4 stars on Sephora.com, and this version, the stick version, is actually rated a little bit higher than that. So I personally still like the liquid version a little bit better, but I can see why this stick version is so highly rated, especially because most of the stick foundations that have come out lately have been for oilier skin, and this is one of the only ones that's come out lately that is really geared more towards drier skin. So I think people are really picking up on that and really appreciating LYS for that. If you're curious, I found that this looked good in all types of light. It maybe looked a little bit heavy in natural lighting, and then as far as longevity, it had great longevity. It did look a little bit heavy towards the end of the day, but other than that, it really stuck around well. I hope you guys have a beautiful week, and I'll see you soon.